Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Kid Toys are Fun here.
Toys are fun here.
Nice to see you. And today we're playing with some Hot Wheels cars. Oh yeah.
To get out.
Because normally Hot Wheels cars are this size.
See?
Well, it's Hot Wheels. It says light and sounds. Light and sounds, extreme action, motorised. Hot Wheels. And this one's the Street Creeper. And over here we've got You're So Fast. I missed out the O out the you're. They got it wrong. Yeah, normally cars are this size, but these are a bit bigger. Well, quick look at the back of the box actually. We should do, shouldn't we? We should always look at the boxes. Always forget about the boxes.
Wow.
Extreme action, motorised, and it says there's a shark one. That looks pretty cool. Haven't got that one though. We've got this one, the crawling action, Street Creeper. And we've got the yellow one here, and it turns red. Oh, we've got the yellow one here, and it turns red. But you can get a blue one, which turns greeny. Oh. Press button. We'll stop it with this one. Press this one. Up. Oh, it's gone. Oh, look. His eyes light up. Watch this, see? Yeah. Okay, I'm ready. Go, Sebby. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It says Hot Wheels on the main button. You've got 3 buttons. That one does that, and that one. Makes it go a long way. And this one does a bit of revving and then it goes. Yes, that one does a lot more. It makes it rev, go, stop, and do a bit more flashy lights. There you go. And Street Creeper, it says on the side there. Street Creeper. Has blacked out windows. Very detailed. You've even got the markings on the tyres there, and the rubber tyres. It's not plastic. And or rubbery plastic. And oh, there's lights on the back. Let's have a look. Do they light up? No, the lights on the back don't light up, but there you go. That's just plastic. They're just plastic things. And it takes 3 batteries. Comes with batteries in the box. Obviously not going to be fully charged type things. And there's a spider on the bottom. See, even details on the bottom. Very nice. good fun toy. And this one's also fast. He's got number 68 on him. And you've got 3 buttons again. Do this first button. And we've got this button up here. See, they do different music each time you press it. This one obviously makes it go as well. Do a bit of revving. There we go. And you like him, don't you, Sebi? You like it.